My name is Chikondi Chisalika. I am 24 years old and currently I'm working with Standard Bank as a data quality analyst. As a person, I can say that I am a goal-driven and determined person. I keep pushing and I'll push until I get it right. I am also a compassionate, kind, loving and down-to-earth person. What inspired me to join Miss Malawi? Well, for me, it has always been a personal call. All that I am as a person has led me to this point in my life, and I am grateful and thankful. Why do I deserve to win the crown? Well, the passion that I have for people and the pride that I have in my community and nation motivates me. I want to be able to give back and make sure people know their rights and needs as human beings. I think that one of the major factors that contributes to overpopulation in Malawi is poverty, which in turn relates to illiteracy. More than half of Malawi lives in rural areas, and these are people who do not know the consequences and how this overpopulation affects Malawi. The first thing that I'm going to do if Crown Queen is organize more programs that reach out to such people in urban areas, rural areas, so that they can be able to know what the consequences are and how this in turn affects the country's development.